if I can put the microphone somehow on the chain, on the, it's not on the silver chain, it's not holding, I think. No, it is on silver chain, it's holding. So anyway, it's late evening already, like 7 o'clock. Here I am with my Seeker 5 dead cat. Today I had an accident and I think I fried controller. Because again, and this is second time it's actually happening with DeepSpacee, I don't know, is it actually faulty stack, as some of people was mentioning that they have an issue with some electricity problems, and basically what happened, I don't know what, I crashed and the drone flipped, so I wanted to disarm, but what happened, it was keep running and on full speed, and when I went, there is something on the camera, I'm not sure what is that. I think the camera lens is completely dirty. Anyway, I think I fried the stack, so this, for at the moment, will be staying in hospital, but at least good thing is that the air unit is working. So, and as I have some new drones incoming, I probably will not be flying 5-inch dead cat anymore, because as maybe some people know, I have incoming DeepSpace Seeker 35 dead cat and X-frame and 7-inch. So this was lucky that it's happened now. I still have X-frame flying completely okay, but unfortunately dead cat is going to hospital. Probably will stay on the wall for some time till I will actually decide to change the stack, because the 04 air unit I will be using on Seeker 35. So yeah, this is what happened, but at least we changed the skids or whatsoever is the name of them. But unfortunately, yeah, this is what will be happening, and I love DeepSpace products as a thing. I mean, the frames is okay, I mean, it's nothing wrong with it, but I will tell one thing, living with DeepSpace, this is my first 5-inch drone, which I got already like half a year ago. Till now, I changed the front CNC frame, because I don't know if you can actually see, there is one thing, I'm not sure if it's focusing, but the CNC, they have a screw here, and this small bit here is the weak point of all this frame and this one. So basically this and this is the weak points of the whole CNC, because if you will hit it, this will be what will be breaking the first, this small bit here and here, because it's not thick. So basically what they could do, just increase the width here and maybe remove a little bit the hole, because this part is not breaking, this is breaking and here is breaking. Let me show you something. It's just, so basically here is Seeker 3, which been standing already some time on a wall waiting for the as well front part, and let's see. And I'm not sure if you can see, actually here it is, here, and this is the weak points of the CNC design. Because okay, I understand that maybe you shouldn't be band or bashing with 3-inch, I mean dead cat as a thing, but from couple of flights I damaged and I broke this, as you see. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see here and here. So this is what is sort of living with DeepSpace. I mean, the product is nice, they are good quality, carbon and everything, but exactly, I will tell you, I will be completely honest, only flaw of DeepSpace frames is CNC design. Because even if you see here, it's very thin in these places, and in a moment you actually hit the CNC frame, you see, it's breaking under here and here, and that's it. Basically the camera is not straight anymore. I mean, like this, it's still flyable, but even I don't know what exactly happened to this one, but even if maybe you can see, the stack is like this, and the funny thing is that when I'm putting it on the surface, it's doing this, so that means that it's not straight. I'm not sure if it's actually can affect the flying. I mean, I'm not sure how the gyro is working and everything. Is it actually seeing the levels of the motors? I mean, as a thing, I don't know. But anyway, I ordered new frame, the CNC, so that will be fixed. And plus for Seeker 3, the problem is GPS. This mount, which is sort of in the middle on the front, as all DeepSpace products have GPS on front, it's good idea, it's nice, but, and another thing, sticky pads or rubber, these are not sticky pads, these are rubber. So if you are not tightening up the battery, let's say with 2, let's say I'm using 4S on this one, I can't use 2 straps. I mean, it's quite, I think it's quite useless. But there was the problem, I crashed and the battery slided and cut off the whole thing, this one. So I don't have a GPS. I printed out new mount, so eventually maybe I will put the GPS. And another thing for Seeker 3, the problem is XT60 connector. And as you can see, maybe I already broke it. After few crashes, this one was gone. So okay, it's easy fix as a thing. You just unsolder. This is my plan. When I will get the front camera plate, I will probably bring out the XT60 here in front through this one or through here and remove this one. I will just unsolder these wires and we'll use this. So this is more or less living with DeepSpace. I mean, the drones is nice, I like it. I mean, they are flying nice, the tune is nice, and I had some comment before that as a DeepSpace and everything, it's nice, but the stack is not the best, and I sort of answered that in a way that it's not the stack, maybe the stack is faulty and this, because I sort of didn't had any issues with the stack before, but let's say for this one, as a first one, the 5-inch, this is second stack already, which is probably burned, because when I'm plugging in everything, it's lighting up, but nothing is happening because the air unit is not getting power again. And the previous one, I couldn't solve the issue. If someone can suggest, I mean, where is exactly the issue, because when I connect air unit on its own to PC or it's powering up and it's working, so that is fine. But when I'm actually plugging in the drone, the air unit is not getting a signal. So maybe again I need to see, maybe the wires is maybe again off. So this I can do it now. I mean, if I'm here, you just unscrew the screws. I'm sorry, it's already late and a bit tired, but I just wanted to make some short video, plus to test out the setup, how it is actually to record with the phone, because unfortunately, yeah, as I was mentioning before, I don't have any amazing equipment and I just need to use what I have, and the only one who actually can focus is my iPhone 13. So we'll see. It's just let's fast open it and see where is the small one, 1.5. And yeah, I want to see, maybe there is just a wires problem, maybe just the wire is out, and let's see. No, the wire there is fine, and 04 unit is 04 unit. As you can see here, the wire is connected okay, and on air unit is okay as well. So here you go, guys. So that is actually the truth, that the stack probably have an issue with powering it on and off. So at some point it can just tell you have a nice day and leave you. So anyway, that was more or less a video living with DeepSpace. I mean, as I'm telling, I'm not sponsored or anything by them. I just have all of their drones because I don't know why I decided to go with them from the beginning. Because this one was the first one, so, and this is the second stack already, so probably I will need to get another stack and to see how it goes, because previous time when I had the same issue, when the 04 unit didn't have a power, I just changed the stack and it was going. So, but unfortunately I'm not so educated or whatsoever. I don't know where is the problem, either in FC or ESC. So anyway, we'll see. As I was mentioning before, this will be anyway standing on in garage for some time till I will actually decide to fix it. So because unfortunately, exactly, we can't be flying with more than one drone at the same time. So my plan is actually, because I will have the 7-inch as well, so I will be flying with the 7-inch. I will be flying with, I will fix the 3-inch. I will have the new one, Seeker 35, which is 6S, which is, I saw some reviews, it was fast as fuck. I mean, I don't know, yeah, there is, and plus I will have the X-Frame 5-inch anyway, so that will be my 5 go-to drones. Okay, I mentioned 4 because the 4 is from DeepSpace, but The fifth one is the Cinewhoop, which is Beta FPV Pavo 20 Pro, which I'm still trying to tame it, I mean, as a thing, but slowly, so yeah. Thanks for watching, and if someone have some suggestions on these things, on this one, okay, I just need to change this one, but yeah. Thank you for watching. You know what you need to do. I will not be reminding you, but anyway, nice motors. I like these, but they are small as well. And another thing here, I have some damaged DeepSpace motors. This one supposedly it's turning okay, but I'm not sure. I think these ones was not completely damaged, but they are still spinning. I think I have some, which is, yeah, this one. As you can see, I crashed it quite bad. I assume that you could unscrew it and try to, because it's sort of turning, but anyway, this is not about motors, it's just a video living with DeepSpace. So here you go, guys. If you want some DeepSpace products after this, I'm suggesting them easy without any problem. I mean, if you want nice, decent flying drone, I mean, any of the drones which I have, if I would just use them as a flying drone, I mean, to cruise in a park, maybe do some loops around whatsoever, this and that, I assume they would not have any issues or anything. I mean, as a thing, with 5-inch cinematic flying on this, they would not have any issue. But exactly, if you are starting to bash them in bundles, hit the concrete wall, yeah, when I crashed, let's say, when you crash it on the grass or soil or whatsoever, it's not so big problem. The problem starts when you're actually starting to hit the concrete with these. And these carbon fiber plates is not so thick. So anyway, stay tuned. Bye.